Hello students, and welcome to week 3 of Writing 112. This week we begin our search for articles about the topic that you're going to research for your research question and that you worked on last week. Let's take a look at your 2 assignments for week 3. In your first DB, your goal is to find 4 possible sources for your research project. And remember, at least 2 of these sources should be from scholarly articles found in the UMGC library. That's why I highly recommend using the website Google Scholar, which you see here, and is found at scholar.google.com. The sources you find there can also be found in UMGC's library. Simply type in your research question. Let's say, for example, in what ways do service dogs improve the life for cancer patients? Looking at the results, we find that therapy dogs is the agreed upon term being used in this field, not service dogs. You can also look at the titles of publications and determine whether they are scholarly articles, such as the HABRI, the Human Animal Bond Research Institute. Then there's the Online Journal of Issues in Nursing. Once you've chosen your 4 sources, you then provide the following for each one. First, an APA-style reference citation, and I highly recommend the SciFast citation machine for generating your perfect APA citation. I made an instructional video on how to use SciFast, and you can find it in the learning resources for this week. The video takes you through step by step on how to use SciFast to create your APA citations, no matter the source. Other good citation machines include, and I encourage you to check them out, NikeCite and Citation Builder from North Carolina State University. Now that you have your perfect APA citation, the next step is to answer the questions in list form. First, identify the type of document your article is. So, for instance, if I search on therapy dogs, cancer care, you see the first is an article. The second is noted as a government document. The third is a book, and so on. Keep in mind that many of the articles are not free for you to access in Google Scholar, so you will need to repeat your search in the UMGC library to access that article without having to pay for it. And that's an important limitation to Google Scholar. It's usually a stepping stone to finding the article or book in an academic library. You then find a few sentences about how you can or cannot use this source in your research project. As usual, your main response is due on Friday by midnight, and your 2 follow-ups are due on Sunday and Tuesday by midnight. Okay, good luck with your assignments, and always, I'll see you in class.